See how easy affiliate marketing is with these tips. Many businesses try different strategies to increase their chances of gaining more profit. Some use search engine optimization, while others use network marketing. One strategy that businesses try is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing has many great qualities, as it increases customers and profits. If you would like tips on using affiliate marketing, then watch this video. Securing reciprocal links is a modest but important step in any profitable affiliate marketing program. Website owners should always do what they can to get a link from their affiliates back to their own website. Such links are doubly desirable because they not only increase the utility of the affiliate program, they also improve the website's standing in search engine results rankings. Don't get lazy about taking advantage of new programs and trends. Check and see the latest updates of your affiliate programs. There are new ads and tools constantly being added, to increase usability and visual appeals. Even small changes like keeping your site trendy, can have a large effect on your readers. Successful affiliate marketers work on a 4-to-1 formula for the best results. This simply means that 80% of their time online is spent marketing products and building up a strong base, while the other 20% is for goofing off or for checking out tutorial videos on how to market. The lion's share of your time should be devoted solely to working. A successful affiliate marketing website has good content that entices visitors to spend time on the website and return to the site. The longer a visitor remains at your website, the more likely the visitor is to click on an affiliate link. Good content encourages visitors to stay and return. Affiliate programs differ tremendously in terms of the services and payment structures that they offer. If one program doesn't seem to fit your revenue goals, then consider a different one with a different financial arrangement. Although there are many large affiliate networks, don't forget about the smaller ones as an excellent source of revenue. An affiliate website operator should have a written contract with the retailer to avoid any misunderstanding at a later time. The contract should describe all sides of their dealings, included but not limited to, the services the affiliate website provides, the way of referring customers and the compensation method, revenue sharing, cost per action or cost per click. A great affiliate marketing tip is to branch out and try out different affiliate programs. You don't have to stick with the giant networks. Go to your favorite vendor and find out if they have their own affiliate program. Each program is different, so you should never settle with just one. A great tip for affiliate marketing is to start promoting an affiliate product on Facebook. Facebook is great because it allows you to get in touch with millions of other people. It can be a very powerful marketing tool and you'll definitely generate interest by promoting your product or service on there. As stated before, businesses try different strategies to gain profit. One of the strategies that businesses use is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing increases customers, which increases profits, while also advertising the product. Using the tips from this video, you can use affiliate marketing to drive your business to great success. Do you want to know how to leverage the power of a sales funnel to generate $100,000 in a month? I have great news for you. Today and today only, you can access 1. A free full course on the secrets of a sale funnel. 2. A free book on how to generate traffic for your offer. 3. Start to use my software for free to create your own affiliate program. Click the link below to start.